My salary was not only supporting me, it was carrying bills, groceries, and the people that I love. Every month, my salary already had responsibilities before it even reached my bank account. There were bills to pay, groceries to buy, transport costs, and family members that I wanted to help. I was working hard, but I still felt as though I was just surviving from one payday to another. I wanted to become debt free and retire earlier. And I wanted to support my family without putting more financial pressure on myself. That's when I realized that budgeting alone would not give me the options or the life that I wanted. I needed to start building another income path. I began learning digital marketing, but all the information online left me feeling overwhelmed. What helped me was simplifying everything. One audience, one message, one offer, and one clear lead path. I am still building, but I'm no longer building without direction. Go to my website, enter your email, download the free Freedom Formula Blueprint to get your starting point. Or should I say, to find your starting point.